So you're ready to begin. Before anything, we're going to do the prior knowledge questions first. Don't even launch the Gizmo yet. Let's just work through the prior knowledge questions. So the entire Gizmo says, make sure you read all parts before asking for help. Follow the instructions or watch the video to go through the simulation. Respond to the questions and prompts in the orange boxes. So that's these boxes here. Directions are highlighted in light blue. So anytime you have to do something, that information is in the light blue. Important information is highlighted in yellow. This doesn't mean write it in your summary table in the yellow box. It just means the important stuff is in yellow. Like this U238, that's important. That's an element, and it says contains 92 protons. So that's important information for you. All right, so let's begin the actual document. It says prior knowledge. Do these before using the Gizmo. So we're not opening the Gizmo yet. The chart to the right gives the element name, the number of protons, and the number of neutrons. So we have the element name, the number of protons, and the number of neutrons. Question it asks, what do you notice about the element name and the number of protons plus the number of neutrons? So we're talking about the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. What do we notice about that? Well, let's add them all up first. The number of protons for this hydrogen 1 is 1 plus 0, and that equals how much? That equals 1. The number of protons for carbon 12, not the number of protons, the number of protons plus neutrons for carbon 12 is 6 plus 6, which equals 12. And then finally, the number of protons plus the neutrons for uranium-235 equals, but you can predict it by now, 235. So our question asks, what do you notice about the element name and the number of protons plus neutrons? So what do we notice about that? Write your answer here. The next question says, the element symbol for uranium-238 is 238 over 92 U. This means U-238 has a total atomic mass of 238 and contains 92 protons. Here's your instructions. Click the image and use the edit tool to write the element symbols for the isotopes in the table. So we're clicking the edit tool, which is down here. So when you click on the image, so the instructions say click on the image and use the edit tool to write the element symbols for the isotopes in the table. What is the element symbol for hydrogen? What is the element symbol for carbon? What is the element symbol for uranium? You're typing those in there, then you'll click Save and Close, and that'll be that. When you're done with this, move on to the next video.